made from the Goa Shipyard on behalf of Goa Shipyard itself and also of all other shipyards in India, their capacity and so on. Be the leader. Come out. Tell us what we have to do from the ministry. Your workers deserve more from you rather than just every now and then coming and pleading with their Modi. They're doing their best. They're contributing their might. They're improving their skills. They're delivering well ahead of schedule. And for that, the credit doesn't have to go to the management. It goes entirely to the workers. With such a wonderful backing, with such a wonderful cooperative environment which prevails in Goa Shipyard, shouldn't you come out now with a plan to say, all right, we'll take care of everything in time for the requirement of Coast Guard, for the requirement of Navy, but we'll work towards moving up. Our capacities are this, we can sell it so and so. Come with a scheme, I'll be fully with you, and I'm sure we'll be able to achieve together this kind of a, perspective planning, a futuristic vision for the shipyard, particularly the Goa Shipyard.
Yes, we have come a long way from importing vessels to indigenously building a state-of-art ship. It is therefore extremely heartening to see a fine product of the indigenous industry realized through years of hard work, perseverance, and diligence. I take this opportunity to congratulate all personnel of Goa Shipyard Limited in making it a reality and furthering the Make in India initiative.